Okay, guys, this is what I have left over from yesterday. Okay, this is gonna be breakfast today. If y'all was with me yesterday, y'all saw what I had. Y'all saw what I had. If you didn't, go back and check. But thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And don't throw away your food when you go out to eat. When you go out to eat, bring the leftovers. Look at all this. Look at this. Look at this. I could have had, I could have loaded up on all the condiments. They had so many condiments, guys. They had condiments out of buffet of that. So, if you go out, make sure you take advantage of your leftovers. Look at the hot peppers. Y'all know I like hot peppers. Look at that. A lot of hot peppers. Well, they had some, like Sonets, so what you call this? That real hot pepper. Not the jalapeno, another one. Dressing. Well, they call it mayonnaise, but that's still dressing to me. Okay, so got that leftovers. Two of those. Oh yeah. Some leftover lemon pepper wing and one of these chicken tenders. Okay, this was all left over from my meal yesterday. And why throw it away? Why throw away all this food? Why throw? This is crazy. This is because I had leftovers from what I ate yesterday. If I threw this away, and so many people don't have no food to eat. Okay, I'm recycling all my food. Y'all know that we throw away nothing. Okay, we throw away nothing. Guys, thank you for watching me. I appreciate you guys. I know I got a little bass in my voice this morning. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And consider becoming a member to help this channel. We love you. We accept you. We welcome you. No judgment here. None at all. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. God bless you. Have an amazing Sunday. And make someone day really special. Make them feel good. Make them have a real good day, guys, because we never know what a person is going through. I love you guys. Keep going. Keep going. I love you.